Alright, guys, so today we're gonna have something new. This is a valve cover from Supra. A friend of mine, Marcos, sent it to me. It was originally powder coated. The person who powder coated for him, it didn't do a really good job, so I'll post a picture up here somewhere so you can see all the damages and stuff. Process of stripping right now. I'm gonna use this brush to take it off the leftovers. It was a illusion green ice, which I already finished one, which is right here. This valve cover, the person sold it to him, is a really bad casting. I can't do nothing about that. I tried sanding a little bit, and yeah, not much I can do about it. So as you can see, this one is done, and right now I'm in the process doing that one. So I'm gonna strip that one, continue stripping. I'm gonna put you on the stand. This whole video is gonna be a one really fast 32 probably X speed. I'm not gonna talk too much, so it's gonna be the whole process of me doing powder coating this whole thing. I mean, I'm gonna strip it first, then wash it, sandblast it, bake it for an hour, then wash it again, clean it, and then powder coat both of the powders. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and hope you enjoy. So here it is. It's taken out. And as you can see, it looks really good. Really happy with the result. So yeah. So that's it, Marcos. Done. And here's the oops. Here's the another one. So they're both right there. They're all, the powder coat looks really good. It's just the castings, they're terrible, you know. I know there is a couple of powder coat fillers that you can get to do stuff like that, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to show a procedure on how I do it. I'm no professional, but I try my best. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and of course, I will see you guys next time. Laters.